Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
facial night creams
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
For more than 75 years, CETAPHIL has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. CETAPHIL's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. CETAPHIL. We do skin. You do you.
Confidence in your beauty sleep is your nighttime solution. This formula with Rest and Restore technology visibly improves 5 of the top signs of aging: fine lines, loss of firmness, dullness, dryness, and tired-looking skin in as little as 7 nights sleep. Every night, this is your last beauty step. You'll apply in upward sweeping motions. You can use on its own or after applying your evening treatments. It immediately goes to work on your skin and you can go to bed. It's time to have confidence in your beauty sleep. Sleep your way to younger looking skin with it.
A deeply hydrating and nourishing cream with incredibly light and whipped texture for daily use. AM and PM, our best-selling moisturizer.